Are you broke in college? I started with cheap dividend stocks like this one, RVSB, a tiny local bank paying quarterly cash from a real community lending. No hype, just steady income. Watch why it might fit your portfolio in 2026. Now, quick disclaimer here. I'm not telling you guys that you should buy the stock or sell it or do anything with it. My main purpose in this video is just to inform you guys about the stock and educate you guys along the way. So, if that resonates with you, please consider giving me a subscribe and we'll dive right into the video. Riverview Bancorp is a tiny local bank serving communities around the Portland and Vancouver area. They focus on regular people and small businesses such as like deposits, loans, mortgages, the basics. No big Wall Street stuff, just steady operations that turn into quarterly dividends for us shareholders. Super simple setup. Today I'm breaking down exactly how the bank operates, the good sides, the downsides, and my honest take in buying in 2026. Stick with me. Nobody else is really covering these under the radar dividend stocks like this. So let's get into what Riverview Bancorp actually does. Picture this. Instead of big national banks chasing headlines, this is a local community bank you've probably seen branches of around Portland or Vancouver. RVSB is the parent company of Riverview Bank, small outfit with about 17 branches spread across Washington and Oregon, mostly in the Portland, Vancouver area, plus 3 lending centers. These branches serve regular people and small businesses, folks opening up checkings or savings accounts, getting home mortgages or car loans, small business owners borrowing for inventory or expansion, even trust services for investments. Day to day, the bank handles everything so customers and shareholders don't have to stress. People walk in or go online or the app to deposit checks, apply for loans, pay bills. A team of around 238 employees manages it all. Tellers at branches, loan officers reviewing applications, compliance folks keeping things legal, maintenance for the buildings, no massive corporate machine, just a focus on local needs. Money comes in from interest customers pay on loans, fees for services, minus what the banks pay on deposits. After expenses like salaries, branch costs, and a bit kept for operations, they pay out dividends to shareholders. Right now, about 1.48% dividend yield. That's like 8 cents a year per share in quarterly checks of 2 cents. It's passive income from boring but super steady community banking. People always needs loans, deposits, and local service. So now the real question, is RVSB worth investing in during 2026? Let's break down the good parts, the bad parts, and my honest opinion. Pros. The dividend is reliable. You get 8 cents a year per share. That's 2 cents every quarter. Right now, that gives about 1.48% dividend yield. They have paid it consistently for years. Community banks like this stay steady. People and small businesses always needs local loans and deposits. The recent earnings were good. They beat expectations in quarter 3. They also announced a 4 million stock buyback in January of 2026. That means the company is buying back its own shares. It helps shareholders. The stock does not swing too much. Beta is around 0.58. Analysts have price targets around $7. That could mean 25 to 30% upside if things go right. Now to the cons. Growth is slow. It's a small bank with only 17 branches. Revenue does not grow fast. The price per earnings ratio is about 23.5. It is fair, but not super cheap. It is a micro cap stock. Market cap is around $112 million. Small stocks can move a lot if big investors decide to sell. Interest rates also affect small banks like this. Now my take, if you're like me and you like steady dividends without a lot of drama, RVSB fits. It is boring community banking, but it pays you to hold. The buyback adds some extra value. It is not going to make you rich quick, but for reliable cash in 2026? Yes, I would consider adding a small amount. This is not financial advice, always do your own research, but it is one of those under the radar dividend stocks that could quietly work well. Alright, that is RVSB in a nutshell. A small community bank paying steady dividends from local loans and deposits. Boring but reliable. Good for passive income if you like low drama stocks. Now, if this video helped you learn about an under the radar dividend play, hit the like button. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Comment below what stock should I cover next. Also, if you're not on Robinhood yet, use my link in the description. You get a free stock when you sign up. It could be worth $5 to $200. It also helps support the channel too. This is not financial advice. Do your own research. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.